Yes, Baba, yes. Go to VWAP, please. Yes, 8 Baba 90. Come on. Finally driving us crazy. It's freaking reversal on Baba. Eventually we got that. It's a typical Friday afternoon. Oof.
Still morning.
It's actually morning, yeah. Sorry.
even in New York, it's still morning.
Yeah, actually, I don't know, for me it feels like afternoon. I mean, I think end of the day. Tesla also went back up, but it's just I couldn't get the Tesla reversal. But I got a really nice reversal on Baba, so that's good. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the quick recap for today. I unfortunately started my day late. I'm sorry. There was some technical difficulty. No, I'm still from traveling. I was really exhausted. So so I had a pretty good day. Although I had a little bit of a struggle to catch this reversal on Baba. I had a little bit of an early entry on that, but eventually we got that nice reversal from 87, 88 to 9, or above 90. So, you know, when I came and I noticed that Baba is really selling off, I jumped in a little bit too early for a reversal. You know, the big first sign of reversal is actually a higher high and higher low. And really, Baba didn't have that on 5-minute chart, you know, when I started taking a long position on that. So really, it was on lower low, lower high. It was a really, really bearish pattern. And I started taking it to the long side, and still we are on a lower low, lower high. And the main level that we had was actually 88. So if you go into the daily chart, you can easily find the levels. So if you go back in time, or let me go, I think on the weekly chart is very obvious. So if you go on the weekly chart, you see this is a very, very, very obvious level. This is a very, very obvious level at 88. So, you know, maybe I should have waited for this obvious level from here. But anyway, I jumped in a little bit too early on that. And I paid the price for that. It broke down this level. There was no really support or resistance level. I really shouldn't have got in there. So I got in there, but I got back again when we broke that. We did a really nice double bottom. And so I started getting back long in there at 87.71, sold and added some more at 88, went away up, and then I added again below the VWAP at 89, and now we're going higher. So I have hope that we can get to 91. So I still have a little bit of shares left here. So yeah, I have still 1,300 shares that I'm hoping actually get to above 91. So that's the thing that I have. And I tried to take another reversal on Tesla as well, but I wasn't really successful. So I went long, added more, popped up. I got stopped out. Now made this double bottom, really nice double bottom. And you know, that was a really nice double bottom on that. I went long again, but eventually I got out of it at the break even. I really didn't like the fact that it's just not having any momentum. I was hoping to get to this previous day close at 8 to 10, but we really never got that. Eventually came back up, but again in a typical Friday afternoon choppy move up. So at the end, for me, it was a very profitable day. I mean, actually for Tesla, not much, but for Baba, it turned out to be profitable. I still have this position on Baba. I bought a little bit of SPXL yesterday on this down here around 97. It did go really well up in the pre-market, but again, you know, I don't know why this pop. I wasn't awake. Otherwise, I would have sold definitely some. Sold off. So my SPXL entry is at 97.89. So I'll see how it goes. Yeah, that's pretty much the situation right now for me. The market is absolutely flat. SPY, QQ, and IWM, they're all kind of flat. Brian, how was your trading day, especially at the open that I was not trading?
Well, yeah, no, it was good. We had Facebook at the open, just sort of a classic rising devil trade. As I always say, I always wait for that last 3 to 4 minutes before the open to sort of finalize my watch list. Facebook was looking weak going into the open. I was actually complaining about how it was selling off. Going into the open, it was kind of getting away from me because I kind of had figured it was going to be a short, but it actually turned into a really nice rising devil, came right back up at the open, gave us an opportunity to take an entry at the VWAP short, and then just partialed out all the way down. So,
awesome. Nice. So the rising devil is Brian finds is the weakest stocks, any pop at the open, you're gonna short it and then move down.
Yeah, so we had a really nice, great trade on that. Yeah, other than that, and I did take a long on Yang because I kind of looked at the Chinese stocks rolling over. I was watching KWeb. So Yang is the inverse, is the bear ETF for Chinese stocks, and had a really nice run up this morning. So I'm out of it now. Yeah. So there you go. Yeah, had a really decent day. It wasn't looking that great, but then the last couple of minutes, like I said, Facebook started to show its colors, so we took that one at the open.
Unbelievable. This Yang, unbelievable. If you want to short the Chinese sector, you just buy Yang. It's like TNA and TZH. Beautiful move from 14 to 34.
Yeah, it's
unbelievable.
Yeah, it's been incredible. Yeah, it's kind of gone the same direction as well, the Russian markets aren't open, but yeah, that's what the Russian stock market would look like on a daily basis, I'm sure. So I'm not sure what's going on with the Chinese stocks, but they seem to be really getting sold off here. There's something going on there, maybe with their credit or something. I don't know. But,
what about
or maybe it's
other
delisting.
people? Thor, Megan, did anyone share any nice trade that we want to talk about? No. All right. So, all right, guys. Thank you so much. Happy Friday, and we're gonna have the after hours with traders today. Brian is coming to the office. We're gonna have all discuss all of these issues, and yeah, and happy weekend, and we'll see you all Monday morning. Weekend. Yeah, have a good weekend. Baba is ripping. Let's see what Baba is doing. I'm still in Baba. Oh yeah, Baba is gonna go to 91. Very nice. Sending out some more on Baba. Oh, beauty. Got filled it. Yeah, beauty, really nice. So I'm gonna hold still a little bit of Baba, 1,000 share of Baba. Let's see what we're gonna get. Thank you so much, guys, and see you all Monday morning.
Cheers.